Hello viewers, راځئ چې نن زده کړو د انګلیش نوې sentences د fluent English لپاره with پښتو translation. viewers چا چې چینل نه دی سبسکرایب کړی نو زموږ دا چینل در سره سبسکرایب کړئ او ویډیو کمپلیټ وګورئ. sentences دی what a lovely, what a lovely, څومره په زړه پورې. What did you break? Break means matawal. What did you break? Samo mat kral. Absolutely. Absolutely. Bilkul. I wish I could. I wish I could. Kash zo kawali sham. Kash zo kawali sham. I will go back. Back means wapas. Zuba berta lalsham. Zuba wapas lalsham. He tried to. Khaga hisa ukla. He tried to. It's quite possible. It's quite possible. Da khwara mumkina da. You are talking nonsense. تاسو بیزه خبرې کوئ. You must be joking. You must be joking. تاسو ټوکې وکړئ. It was not good film. It was not good film. دا ښه فلم نو. Yes, it was amazing. Yes, it was amazing. Ho da حیرانتیا وه. What a shame. What a shame. څومره شرم. What a shame. Viewers, subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.